Hey guys, it's Jeff, and this week on Tech Quickie, we are going to take a look at this wallet from Ridge. So this is the Ridge carbon fiber wallet. It's a small and sleek looking design, but it is still functional. The cards that you want the wallet to hold go in the center portion of the wallet and are held down by elastic bands on three sides of the wallet. Of course, the remaining side is the side in which you will be taking your cards out of. The model I received comes with a money clip, but you can also choose to order one with an elastic band on the outside instead of the clip. Due to me not carrying cash around on a regular basis, I do prefer the clip as I can clip the wallet to my pants or even my backpack. As far as functionality goes, it works well. I believe that the biggest benefits are really in the size and strength of this wallet and how durable it will be in the long term. On top of that, it just looks really cool, really sleek, and I'm really enjoying it over my previous wallet. So overall, would I recommend this product? Actually, yes. Listen, this is something new, something fresh, and I know that you all will like it. I'll have a link in the description below where you can pick up one for yourself and also check out more details on this product and Ridge. So thank you all for watching this week's Tech Quickie. Get subscribed for some more upcoming content, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.